Want to know a secret about Celina, Texas? Well, in today's video, I'm going to let you in on a little secret, and that adventure starts now. If this is your first time on the channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, so you'll be notified of any and all changes to the market here in North Texas. My name's Marina Franco. I'm with the Living in North Texas team, and you know what? We get calls and emails every day from people like you needing help moving to North Texas. And you know what? We absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days, 90 days, 190 days, 990 days, doesn't matter. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or better yet, let's set up a Zoom call so we can help make your move to North Texas a smooth one. Welcome to Mustang Lakes. Mustang Lakes is not just a community of beautiful homes. It is about an unparalleled lifestyle. With amenities that rival both Star Trail and Windsong Ranch, Mustang Lakes offers more than just a place to live. It offers a lifestyle of luxury, convenience, and excellence. When it comes to choices, Mustang Lakes has you covered. With 6 builders and 4 custom builders on lots ranging from 60 feet all the way up to 1 acre, you're definitely going to find a floor plan that fits your lifestyle. At the heart of Mustang Lakes is the Club, an amenity center that rivals any country club right here in your backyard. Imagine yourself lounging by the resort-style pool, or working out at the state-of-the-art fitness center, or how about beating your friend on one of the championship tennis courts. All of that surrounded by a 20-acre sprawling park with its own private lake and its own private island. The amenities out here are second to none. There's a 5-acre stocked lake with overlooks. We have 3 different pools, an junior Olympic pool, resort style pool, and a kiddie splash pad. There is nearly 10 miles of trails. There are community event centers. There is playgrounds throughout. And coming soon will be another amenity center. If you're looking to elevate your living experience, Mustang Lakes needs to be at the top of your list. All right, everyone, that is Mustang Lakes. If you have any questions about this community, Celina, or any community within the Dallas-Fort Worth area, you know how to get a hold of me. All right, until next time, I'll see you around the neighborhood.